Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 12 of GATE 2014. The question is, the length element ds of an arc is given by this: ds square is equal to 2 dx1 whole square plus dx2 whole square plus under root 3 dx1 dx2. Then the metric tensor gij is what? So you have to remember that general form of a metric tensor gij in 2D will be given by this equation with the line element whole square g11 dx1 whole square plus g22 dx2 whole square plus g12 twice times dx1 dx2. This is a general form of to write a line element in a tensor notation, the square of the line element tensor notation. This you should remember in order to solve questions, or this equation you can easily arrive by using simple transformation from Cartesian coordinate to tensor coordinate system. Okay, so line element square is given by this, where dx1 dx2 are, for example, your in Cartesian system your dx1 will be equivalent to your dx, your dx2 will be equal to dy, and dx3 will be equivalent to dz, so on. Or for example in a 3-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. Now this g, the coefficient which you are seeing over here, they form a matrix called the metric tensor, and that can be written in this form. So basically we will have, for example, if you have 3-dimensional case, so and in this, one thing to remember is that they are symmetric, that is g13 is equal to g31, g12, the metric tensor is symmetric in nature. Okay, therefore by using this and comparing this equation with what is given in the question, your line element dx1, so this is a coefficient of dx1 whole square, so g11 comes out to be 2, this is the coefficient of dx1 whole square. g22, which is the coefficient of dx2 square, is 1, and you can write, since g12 is equal to g21, so you can write equation 2 as, or you can write 2g12 dx1 dx2 as g12 dx1 dx2 plus g21 dx1 dx2. And therefore, since by comparing this with equation this, your g12 is equal to g21 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So your metric tensor, since this is a 2-dimensional case, so your metric tensor will be just g11, which is 2, g12, which is nothing but root 3 by 2, g21 is also root 3 by 2, and g22, which is 1. So this is your metric tensor gij in 2-dimensional case. So out of all these options, option what is correct is option B is correct. Remember that this root is applying a root 3, so option B is correct. So this is how you solve this question. Thank you for watching this video.